We have all heard the statistics. Substance abuse is ruining lives, breaking up families, and destroying communities. Many feel the options for help are limited and not holistic enough for long-term success. Some days, it feels like we are losing the battle. Restore Addiction Recovery wants to begin a movement to change this tragic story. As a Christ-centered, biblically based, and clinically supported ministry, our approach is different than other traditional recovery models. Restore Addiction Recovery will offer a full continuum of care, which means 12 months of integrated services, practical life coaching, building healthy community, and providing mentorships, all under the loving care of licensed Christian counselors. The men in the program will focus on their relationship with God and how their life decisions impact others. They will develop vocational skills while working real jobs in the community. During all 4 phases of the program, the men will share the responsibility of cooking, cleaning, and encouraging others in the ministry. Learning to serve others will be a priority. In the 4th phase of the program, months 8 through 12, the men will focus on their launch strategy. Restore will assist them in finding a place to live, choosing the right career path, securing a job, and developing a strong support network. Our workforce development program pairs motivated and drug-free men with local organizations in need of quality people to grow their businesses. The income received through this allows Restore to operate at a fraction of the cost of other traditional programs. Imagine a 12-month ministry where the men live, work, and learn in community. Imagine a ministry that partners with businesses in the community to offer real jobs for the men, building their resume, creating a strong work ethic, and developing the confidence to know that they can become the person God always intended them to be. Imagine a ministry that prepares them for life outside Restore, giving them $1,000 upon completion of the program, securing a well-paying job, a safe place to live, and an ongoing support network for long-term success. Now imagine if that program came at no cost to the residents. All they bring is a willingness to change. That's Restore Addiction Recovery. Real change that lasts.